Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Gear Guide for Men. Sorry for the delay. We've taken some time off, had some family stuff needed to take care of, but we're back and we're actually going to start this off with a two-part series. It's actually going to be about the uses of vinegar in your house to clean and maintain it. So the first part we're going to talk about today is how to use vinegar to help maintain your AC unit. So what we've got right here is a condensation line, and I took this out right here, and that's your access point of where you're going to pour the vinegar down. Now the reason why I have this clear thing is so I can see if there's any blockages, any excess water that's built up. What you want to do is you want to pour the vinegar in here, depending on how often your AC unit runs, about once a month to once a quarter. And the reason for that being is you'll put the vinegar down here, it'll flush out your condensation lines, so that way you don't have any backups and build up, because what will happen is if it floods, it'll shut the AC unit off, it'll seize up, it'll cause freezing inside the unit. So these are all things that you're going to want to try to avoid by using the vinegar. Now the reason why you use vinegar is because the other alternative would be a bleach or something that's harsh and corrosive, and you don't want that in your PVC pipes sitting in there. I've had to use bleach before and actually had to use a hose to pressurize the system to flush it out to get rid of anything that's existing in there. So the proper maintenance would be to use the vinegar, let it clean itself out once a month or once a quarter. It really depends on how often you're using it, the humidity, you're gonna have to see for yourself. But this is a nice easy way for you to make sure that your AC runs smoothly. You can just use that vinegar. You just get the generic brand, a jug of it, and I'd say pour about a quarter of a cup to a cup down the condensation line, and you'll see how much backup is there. You need to let it sit there, but this way you're avoiding any corrosion in the PVC lines. You're making sure your system is running efficiently, and that way you won't have any issues. So stay tuned for part 2. We're going to have a follow-up to this, and that's going to be how to use vinegar to help clean your floors in your house. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.